What are record types in Salesforce? This is a common confusing topic, especially if you're new to the Salesforce environment. You may have seen them when you're playing around in your Trailhead environment, and you're wondering, is this something I'm actually going to use? Do I need to know this? And are they really that useful? We're going to be answering all those questions in today's video. But if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. I'm putting out new Salesforce content each week, and let's jump into this video. So what are record types? Well, it's a tool an admin can use to build out different processes, pick lists, and page layouts based on the user's needs. This allows admins to do this without creating multiple different profiles. It also limits the number of fields on a page layout for a user. For example, if you have maybe a end user that is in sales, they need a certain amount of values on there to fill out for their sales process. But maybe the person doing finance doesn't need all the sales fields on their page layout. You could create two different record types for those users, maybe a finance record type and then maybe an intake record type. That way they limit the number of fields on that page layout. Another feature of using record types is being able to set up different pick list values per record type. So maybe you have a set of users that need high, medium, low pick list value, and then another set of users that need maybe urgent, normal, and low. Maybe that's what they need. By using record types, you can differentiate the pick list values. You can also set up different default record types based on a user's profile. So that means a user with a specific profile can create a new record and it'll automatically be the default record type assigned to that profile. So overall, you can think of record types as a way to customize the user experience for different users. That way the team follows the correct business process. And they're really important within Salesforce environments. I can't think of hardly any org that I've seen that doesn't utilize record types because you will have different fields that are required for different sets of users for the same object. But if you are wanting to learn more about record types, there's a great trailhead that you can do that I would recommend that you can start with and play with and create record types in your sandbox. The link for this trailhead is in the description of this video. It has a video that comes with it and it goes into how to create a record type. And it has step-by-step instructions and it walks you through it. And you can even earn you a badge here at the end. And you can view more projects that do concern creating record types and things of the such. But this is a great place to start if you are new to record types. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave it a like. That lets me know I need to make more videos like this in the future. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my video, and I will see you in the next one.